Today I am going to teach you how to never run out of tomato again by using one tomato plant to grow many tomato in your garden. You see, the sucker has always been a problem, and in many videos you are taught to trim them and throw them away. Yes, of course, these are supposed to be discarded, but today I'm going to give you a secret which is working for me in my garden. You know what? You could see these portions of my tomato being cropped. Of course it has to be cropped, but I have learned not to throw them away. So what I do is, let me show you. So gently crop this part of your tomato branch, and then this becomes another tomato stem. So I'm sending this one straight away. This is where it's going to end. You see, we have many of them here, and let me show you. I'm going to pull this one up slowly, and if you look carefully, it has started rooting, and look, it has been trimmed. If you could see, it has already been trimmed, but it is germinate, it is taking root. So this I will transplant from here to any of the available spaces, and already I have to put this back gently to not destroy my roots. And this as well, you could see it has started flowering, and here this has started bearing tomato. I have just cut this out of the garden. As you can see here, these are my suckers, and they have become garbage. So this could be used for compost, but I could also pick any of them and plant. With this method, you don't have to ever run out of tomato again. So look at here and here. These are tomato suckers that I have just planted. With this, I don't need seed nut anymore. So this is the kind of results you can get just cutting the stem of your tomato. So that's it. If you want to make your tomato garden larger and bigger, cover the whole land without having to get a seed, this method I have just shown you is going to help you be your #1 savior to increase tomato in your garden.